Hey, 大家好. Hello everybody, welcome back to Intro to Chinese Basics You Need to Know with Akina Ying. Today we are going to talk about the family. So it's going to be all about the family tree, like your dad, your mom, your brothers, your sisters, your aunts, your uncles, your nieces, your nephews. Before we jump in, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. I make new videos every week. I'd love to see you back. The first one is 家人, that means family. 这是我的家人. This is my family. 我爱我的家人. I love my family. 爸爸 and mama. 爸爸 is dad. Mama is mom. You have dad, daddy, father. So those terms you would say in Chinese. 爸爸, 爸, 父亲. 父亲 means father. And for mom you would say ma, mama, and 母亲. So it's ma, mama, and mother. 爸, 爸爸, 父亲, ma, mama. On the dad side, you have your grandparents, right? You will have to say on the dad side. But in Chinese, the word actually means on the dad side. So for my dad's side, grandfather, you would say 爷爷, 爷爷, and 爷爷. Dad's mom, you would say the grandmother, 奶奶, 奶奶. So 爷爷奶奶, that's the grandparents on my dad's side. 爷爷奶奶. And on the mom's side, you would say 外公 for grandpa, and then 外婆 for grandma. So 外公外婆, that's the mom's parents. Okay? The same also applies to your dad and your mom's brothers and sisters. So they're siblings. On the dad's side, you would say the dad's brother or the uncle, you would say 叔叔, 叔叔. That's dad's brother. Dad's sister would be 姑姑, 姑姑. 姑父 is your aunt. 舅舅 is your mom's brother. And then 舅母 is his wife. Yi is your mom's sister. And then Yiba is her husband. And then there's brothers, the siblings. You say 兄弟姐妹, brothers and sisters. But for brothers, you can say 兄弟. In Chinese, you don't say older brother and younger sister. The actual word means older sister. So like 哥哥, that means older brother. 哥哥, 这是我的哥哥. 他们是我的哥哥. 弟弟, that means younger brother. 我没有一个弟弟. I don't have a little brother. Sisters. The older ones are called 姐姐, 姐姐, and the younger ones are called 妹妹, 妹妹. 我有两个姐姐. It's not 二个姐姐, it's 两个姐姐. Or 大哥, 二哥, 小哥. Oldest brother, second oldest, 小哥, which means the youngest older brother. 妹妹, 她是我的妹妹. And then the people that they marry. 嫂子, that's what you would call your sister-in-law. 嫂子, 嫂子. 姐姐, 姐夫. 姐夫 means brother-in-law or your sister's husband. Nieces and nephews. 侄儿, 侄女. 侄儿 is nephews and 侄女 is nieces. 侄女. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed to my videos. Thumbs ups are always appreciated. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave those below. And I will see you next time. 下次见.